Hello guys, I'm Lion and welcome to my channel. Today I'm still working on my fantasy Viking costume. I already made a pant, a suit, a cape, thing for my legs, some arm protection, 2 axes and 2 shields. You can check all the other videos on my channel. And the result looks really good. But I still have a lot of pieces of fabric which came from my suit. Like I always say, never waste, use your imagination to create something new with what you have. So we try to make some leg scale protection. I have no idea of the real name. To make that is very simple, you just have to cut a lot of scale which will have basically this shape. A triangle and a rectangle, and after that you just have to sew them line by line. That's the thing I'm going to do because I have only pieces of fabric, but if you have a big piece of fabric you don't have to cut scale by scale. You can also cut a line of scale. So that's the result. It looks really cool and now I just have to try it to see if it fits me.